Hi there guys, in this video I will show you how to make a collaborative playlist on Spotify mobile. Firstly, go and jump up into your Spotify account and then you need to go for your library on the third selection. Right after that, you need to click on the plus icon on your right upper side and then you need to get and create a playlist name. For example, we'll go with this one. Now I'll go create, and as you can see the playlist has been created. What I need to do is just simply go to the three dots on my left upper side and go for invite collaborators. Click on that one, and here guys, as you can see with this we have also a collaborative playlist with which we can go and share it with our friends, for example on Messenger or on Instagram or Snapchat, or maybe I will go on more, and here simply it gonna gives me more opportunities for sharing this playlist which could be collaborative on that Spotify section. Thanks guys for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and share the video. See you soon guys.